Welcome everyone to the Askew School's Joe E. Cresse lecture series. We've been doing this for 10 years now, and we're very pleased you're here.
Normally at this point we would introduce our speaker and we'd read the bio and we'd spend some time making sure that you understood what a wonderful speaker we've got for you here today. We do have a wonderful speaker here for you today, but I'm not going to read his bio because I think many of you know it and it's there in front of you if you care to refresh your memory on President Thrasher's great accomplishments, his leadership in this state, the many positions he's held. You're not here to hear me talk, you're here to hear him give some remarks. So President Thrasher, thank you very much for joining us, and we look forward to your remarks today.
Appreciate it. Thank you very much. You know, this has been a really spectacular day, and I don't deserve the arthritis in my knee, and I don't deserve the honor of being here today. I'm very, very blessed and appreciated, though, and thank you all and the Askew School and Dean Chapin, thank you for being here, and all the other people who have helped in such a terrific way make this a very, very special day for all of us in our administration. It's easy to forget during these times of unnecessary and I think honestly regrettable partisan politics, but hopefully we can find underneath all of that a sense of optimism. It's why most politicians run for office. I think most people do. They have it in their heart to do the right thing. I credit my success in life to three things: God, my lovely wife Jean, and FSU. I saw the presidency as a wonderful opportunity, frankly, to give back to the university that had given so much to me. I know without any doubt I would not be standing here today without having the education I received at FSU. I graduated from the College of Business and Undergraduate School and this beautiful law school right here at FSU. It's been a dream come true to serve as FSU president. I've enjoyed the opportunity to talk to you today. May God bless you, and may God bless Florida State University. Thank you.